Hello, welcome back to Welding. Here we have the completely new plasma cutter, CUT-40, with air compressor built inside. MMA function included as well. Input voltage available for single 220 voltage. High and low frequency start is optional. Here we will take the low frequency model as reference to show the details. By press this button, we can select normal cut, grid cut, or MMA function. Let's move into the normal cut function to get more details. Output current from 20 to 40 amp. Here is the gas check function. Press here to choose inner air compressor or extra air compressor, 20 or 40 working weight, and to set post flow time from 5 to 15 seconds. Next is MMA function. Output current from 30 to 120 amp. Press the setting button. We can set the up force from 0 to 10. Hot start from 0 to 10. And VRD function as well.